case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The New York Court of Appeals was tasked with determining whether a covenant can be enforced against a subsequent property purchaser in the landmark 1938 case, Neponsit Property Owners Assen vs. Emigrant Industrial Savings Bank. Key requirements were analyzed, including the relationship of the covenant to the land and the existence of mutual interest between parties. The case was born from a defaulted mortgage that led to a foreclosure lawsuit. The property in question had a unique covenant built into its deed whereby an annual maintenance charge was levied, meant to support public purposes. Yet, controversy arose around whether the charge was inherently related to the land and if it impacted additional related land interests. Following a series of denials to allegations, countersuits, and affirmative defenses, the case made its way to the Appellate Division. At first, the Appellate Division echoed the lower court, confirming the dismissal of the defendant's counterclaim and striking out their affirmative defenses. Yet they also permitted the defendant to issue an appeal to a higher judicial body on a set of certified questions. Ultimately, the court ruled the covenant was enforceable by property owners or beneficiaries who directly benefited from it. This decision put the Neponsit Property Owners Association, a key plaintiff, in a challenging position as they couldn't enforce the covenant due to lack of direct property ownership. Interestingly, the court recognized the association as a representative for property owners, revealing a potential new dimension to their involvement in the case. This landmark ruling continues to influence property law cases today, particularly those revolving around covenants in property deeds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.